Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a mandala drawing. So let's start. So for dot mandala, we need one canvas or paper. We need water. I have taken soap water to clean my brush. I need a scale. We need a cloth to wipe our brush. Compass with the pencil, ordinary pencil, eraser, toothpick. I'm using a broken brush to make the dots, and I have dotting tools. If you don't have, no tension. Keep one earbud. If water is too much, then it's better to clean it with earbud. Let us start. First step is to find the center of the canvas. So I'm going to join two diagonals. I'll draw a very dull line so that it's easy to erase later on. Just join the diagonals. So you got a point. Now, my canvas board is 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. So I'll measure here. 20 is coming here. At 10, this is the point. And here also 10. I have joined these. Similarly, this side also 10 and 10. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. If we want to divide it into more parts, we'll take protractor and we can divide them by keeping like this, and we can divide them. Each part is 45 degree. So we can make them 22.5 or according to your wish. I will suggest to do this whole work on a piece of paper and then later on transfer it, this whole thing, on the canvas. So like this, you can draw on the paper and then keep the canvas below this. Keep the paper above this. Make sure your paper is at the correct position. We can pin it also to make sure that centers are matching, and then we can trace it. Okay, that is what I will suggest you all, so that we'll have less number of lines on the board. But I'm going to draw here for everyone. So first circle is 2 centimeter. You can take different measurements. It's your wish what you want to take. I am taking 2 centimeter. Then next circle is 4. Radius is 4. Then next circle is 6. Next is 8. And last one is 10. We have drawn the circles. Now I'm coming to design. So in my design, now next thing, I will see how much is this? 3. So 1.5. So everywhere at 1.5, I will mark a dot. Now I'll start a semicircle, or you can say a U shape. Now, next step is we are going to make triangles. So this point and this point, I'm joining and making a triangle. After the triangle, again, we'll find the midpoint here. So let's measure how much is this. It's 6. So at 3. So everywhere mark at 3. And now I'm starting from here and drawing a curve. If you are not confident, then please use the lid. We all have lots of lids in the kitchen. Now after this, I'm going to take a lid and I'm going to paint circles with the help of this lid. So this is our design. So I'm going to use white paint. Paint should not be very watery. It should be little thick. मैंने सोचा है कि मेरी बेसिक कलर स्कीम में मैं सिर्फ ब्लू के शेड्स रख रही हूँ, तो आप लोग अगर कुछ और रखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज रखिए। और डिफरेंट साइजेस के हम डॉट्स बनाएंगे, तो वो भी मैं दिखाती जाऊंगी। जैसे कि ये ब्रश का बैक साइड है, टूटा हुआ ब्रश है, ये ब्रोकन ब्रश। इसको लेके मैं एक सेंटर में डॉट बना रही हूँ। ये हमारा पहला डॉट बना। अब इसके बाद हम इसमें इनर मोस्ट सर्किल में हम ब्लू कलर फिल कर रहे हैं। तो कलर हम ऐसे फिल नहीं करेंगे, हम ये पर्शियन ब्लू है, इसके डॉट्स बनाएंगे। My next color is light blue. Next color is red. You can choose the colors of your choice. Now in the middle, I'm going to give a big white dot. So we can make it with brush also. We can make it with dotting tool also. Now all these lines will be there. So one solution is to cover the lines with the same color. Other solution is to give some texture here and give a design. Third solution is take any dark color and fill in the remaining space. It's up to you what you want to do. So I'm going to fill some dots. Take very less paint in your brush and keep your brush vertical. This is a 000 number brush. So when you do with yellow color, make sure you're leaving some place for red dots. So this way our dot mandala will go.
I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing my YouTube channel. Thank you. Dhanyavad.